You have your little purse, huh? Your humongous purse.
Look at these. These are cool. They're
Ooh,
stretchies.
those are fling shots.
Hold on.
Oh, she got candy from yesterday. When we were at the mall yesterday, huh? Ooh, sprees. I like sprees. Oh, bananas. Banana cheese. You want banana cheese? Banana cheese.
They got the superhero gumballs.
Those are big gumballs. They're ginormous. Choices. Oh, you got Mike and Ike's. Those look good. Oh, you know what? This is good gum right here. The chiclets. This is the best gum there is. Okay, well, hold on. We gotta rotate this back this way. Oh no, actually, this takes. What? This is a 50 cents here? Boy, they really increased the price at this mall. Oh no, this takes 2 quarters. It takes 2 quarters in this one. It's not like yesterday's mall. See, this is the rich mall. At the ghetto mall, it's only a quarter. Ooh, chiclets.
Try one.
Those are the ones that Mr. Wilson, Mr. Wilson had in his teeth. That Dennis put in his mouth. Chiclets. Yum, yum.
You like those?
Which one?
They're real good.
Did you like them? What's that?
Oh,
Over here.
Oh, there's no more.
Nah. Everybody got them. They got all these ones over here. The splitimals or spitimals. No. That's the money. That's where you put money.
You want a cotton candy ball or you want a superhero ball? What's the cotton candy ones? This one's one.
Ooh, you got the yellow one, Harps.
Oh,
You wanted that yesterday. Wonder Woman.
You got Wonder Woman here.
Why? What'd you get?